Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Just give a second, yeah, this one. Now, you need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom, and right here we have custom equalizer. So, firstly, I do not recommend it to click right here at the left side, because now this application just crashed. Then you can select it when we create a custom preset, it's just for the first time. I recommend it to click right here at the right side, and here it is. Now make something good for you. Let's say I wanna this preset. Here we go. And now you can just go back, and now if you will swap between normal preset and custom one, there is no crash here. But also, if you don't like what you made or you wanna make a new one, you can click at the reset button at the right bottom, and you have it by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.